Tami Kramer. The following mess in my kitchen is due to you. Nah, I'm inspired by you today. I am prepping a lot of veg for weekly salads. Let's go. First up, wash and sort your veg. Today I am using a mix of cabbage, red cabbage, and carrots to do a fine shred using my food processor. Now these are pretty hearty vegetables, so when you shred them and pop them in the fridge, they're gonna keep for a few days. I'm using carrots that are a mix of the bags you buy that are orange, yellow, and this gorgeous purple color. And if you don't love red cabbage, then use these purple carrots to get some of the same antioxidants, phytonutrients that come with that color. So let's go. And look at that gorgeous color. We've got yellow, purple, orange carrot, red cabbage. The benefit in shredding it really finely for these hard vegetables, and you could also do this with beet, is it makes it much easier to chew and digest than if you're using chunkier pieces. And then of course you can add other vegetables to your salad, sliced cucumber, zucchini, things that are a little softer and won't keep quite so well as these hard vegetables. Those zucchini would be really nice to do in some ribbons. So give this a try, add it to your fresh greens, buy the big bins, and make your salads really simple. All right, my kitchen actually looks super colorful now. It's gorgeous, but it's messy, Tami. So I need some help with that. For real though, thank you for the inspiration, because now I have all of this gorgeous, colorful veg to top my salads through the week. Guys, if you're not following Tami, Nutmeg Notebook on YouTube, hop over and do so. She's gonna give you lots more ideas and inspiration for getting those salads into your daily meals, making it easy with batch prepping. She has tons of videos and ideas. So link over and get that. And also, if you don't yet have my oil-free dressings ebook, get a copy. Ditch those store-bought dressings. They have so much oil, and the ones you make at home not only will taste better, they're gonna be nutrient dense. And we know that a salad is really, all about a good dressing. Not completely, but a big part of it. So link below, get yourself that ebook and start making some delicious salads. This is the time of year to really get those greens and more fresh vegetables into your day. Have fun.